Patents has used its process refractometer expertise to develop a completely new technology platform to measure, refine, manage and indicate bricks and diagnostics information. The unique and innovative K-Patent Sanitary Compact Refractometer PR-43A consists of a compact and probe refractometer and a graphical user interface. The refractometer is a standalone device capable of operating independently. It has a measurement range of 0 to 100 bricks value for real-time process control. K-Patent Sanitary Refractometer PR-43A is sanitary and EHEDGE certified to meet the highest hygiene requirements of food production. The 3A symbol assures that K-Patent Sanitary Refractometer conforms to 3A Sanitary Standard Number 46-03 for refractometers and energy-absorbing optical sensors for milk and milk products. And it has passed independent third-party verification inspection for 3A symbol authorization. These certificates demonstrate conformance to strict hygienic standards and product designs that have been tested by third-party authorities.